Good morning. Today let us discuss about the types of contract. So contracts are classified into four types. So based on the formation, based on the validity, execution, and nature. And now let us discuss about the based on formation. So express contract terms express started, written or spoken. So example signing a lease for an appointment or a written employment contract. Implied contracts formed by conduct or circumstance, not words. So, example, ordering a food restaurant, it implies to promise to pay a taxi ride, and quasi contract created by law to prevent unjust enrichment. Not actual, it is nothing but if it is an emergency, so they'll take us to the doctor, and you are supposed to pay the amount based on validity and legality. Valid contract meets all legal requirements. So A signed the agreement to sell a car for fair price. So it is valid. Void contracts lacks legal enforceability from the start. Somewhere there is a problem. Example, a contract to perform an illegal act like smuggling goods. So actually smuggling goods is not illegal. So in this case it is considered as a void contract. Voidable contract valid until the wronged party chooses to cancel. Example: a contract signed under uh, duress or by a minor. So during the time of signing the contract, he might be in a might not be in a normal position, or he might be a minor. Illegal contract as an illegal purpose or subject matter. Example, an agreement to sell illegal drugs. So actually, these things are not coming under law. So these four types are coming under the validity and legality. Based on the performance, executed contract, both parties have fully performed their obligations. So both the parties have satisfied. So it is coming under an executed contract. Uh, Executory contract. Performance is due in the future. Example, a 12-month service agreement where payment and service occurs monthly. So 12 months things is there, but payment has to be done monthly. Based on the nature or obligation. Bilateral contract promises for promisee, mutual agreement, mutual obligations. So ASS contract where buyer promises to pay, seller promises to deliver goods. So mutually these two people are agreement. So unilateral contract, a promise for an actual one party promise, the other performs. So you're promising for another party, but the other one is performance. A lost dog reward poster. You only pay if somebody finds the dog. So you're posting a poster, someone is finding the dog, and you're supposed to pay the money. So electric contract outcome depends on an uncertain events. So chance. So insurance policies. So may or may not. Common types of contract. So normally valid, void, contingent, and breach. So valid is nothing but enforceable by law. So void not enforceable. Contingent depends on uncertain future events. Breach of contract, failure to perform. For example, for a valid contract, sales of goods for money. So one buy the cargo and pay the money, and void contract agreement for illegal act. Actually, illegal things is not supposed to do. So even though they are doing an illegal activity, so this comes under a void contract because it is not coming under the legal. Contingent contract, insurance contract. So based on the uncertainty, so if anything happens, the insurance company is supposed to pay the money. So based on the uncertainty, this contract occurs. So normally, health insurance is the important example. So or else a vehicle insurance. If any accident occurs, the insurance company is supposed to pay this. Breach of contract, non-delivery of goods. So the first thing we have seen, sale of goods for money. So they're getting the money and not delivering. It means it is not legal. So these things is coming under the breach of contract. So first thing is valid contract.